Good morning, everyone. The file I just sent now will take care of some few things. Number one, there was a complaint from Yinagwa. Actually, it is not a complaint because that was how the application was. But our ICT from Yinagwa identified something. Students were using it as an opportunity to cheat. For instance, this page we are now, this is the student portal. So when the test is going on, they will just come to this link and click on computer based test score. So the particular test they are writing, that this page will actually display the score of all the tests they have written before and the one they are currently writing. So if they select an option, they will come here and check. If their score did not increase, it means they did not that they did not get the answer right. So they will go back and change the answer. So what I have done now is that, as a teacher, you need to create tests before the exam is written. So when creating the test, there is an option here that show score. So I should expect you, because of this new update, always take no. So the moment you take no for that show score, the moment the students start taking the exam, as far as you said no, they will not be able to see the score of that test. They may see the score of other ones that they have done. If you have activated it to maybe yes, they should see it. But as far as you have not gone back to change it, they will not be able to see the score. So how do you change it to see the score? So normally when we are writing the test, you can come to CBT report during the test or after the test. You click on this report and you select the test. So let's use this test for illustration, assuming this is the test that is either going on or they've written. You click here. So this will give you the summary of for this test. Now only one person have written this test, one child have written this test, and it got this mark. Now if you see this option here, you see test name, subject name, class, mark, 6 more marks, then view score. What you have here is no. Now you now say click here to change the status to yes. So the moment you click on this, the status will change to yes automatically. So a child that is logged on, this child that is logged on, because I'm logged into this child profile, when you click on computer based test score, you will see that his score will show. Now look at it. Let me go back as a teacher and toggle it back to no. See, it's now no. If the student comes here and click on computer based test score, you see that no record, because actually it has only one test, which is that test. So this takes care of that problem that we had. Then I've also added another link here where you can upload your files, maybe your PowerPoint files. You have anything you want to give to your class. Now this is done based on class. So all you click on is my class files. Then you will select, once you select the subject, you see the subject is attached to the class, the subject you are teaching. So once you click on that, then you put the description of what the file is, then you attach. Now the format accepted is PowerPoint, PDF, document, that is doc and docx, then the two Excel format, XLS and XLXS, then JPG, JPEG, JPG, PNG, and .mp4. They are the format accepted. Now one thing I did here is I put a particular kind of validation. If you want to attach a document and you didn't see, that means that the type is not supported. Any document type that is not supported will not even be seen in this page. So then, but the the support is large so that you can attach as many of such document. So now once you attach the file, you just click on upload, then the file will be uploaded. Then you too, you can view the files that you have uploaded. You can come here. So like I've uploaded one file for this subject, so you too can download it. You can delete it. You can delete it. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete it? If I click OK, it will delete it. Now if you have, and so the essence of this page is that it will help you to arrange your files based on the subject that you've uploaded, and you know the subject is also attached to the class. On the side of the student, they can also view it from here. They come here, view and download files. So they will select the different subjects that they are offering. They can only download, they cannot delete, since they are not the owner of the content. So it is only the teacher that have right to be able to delete. So those are the few things I've added so as to help us navigate through. So upload the files into your database. Now after you've done that, you are going to do something into your server. Sorry, upload the file into your server, not database. Now after you've done that, there is something you must do to your database that will allow these changes to work. Now one of them is that a table was created for this file upload. So, and I've sent it along. So all you do is you will log into your PHP-admin, your username and the password. In case if you're having a challenge, you can get across to Mr. Katule or you escalate to me so that I will tell you what to do. So when you get to your PHP-admin, you will get something like this. So you go to the database, which is GNET. Now you now click on import. You click on import. So once you click on import, that MySQL file, then you see one MySQL file that I sent is inside that folder too. You just attach it and upload. So it will bring the database there. Now, after you have done that, you will now come to this table, attended test. Attended test. You come to that table, click on structure. You will discover in your own case, you will have 9 items. 9 items is what you will have. 9 items. I have 10 because I did an addition. So you will now come down here, add. You see this add. Add 1. Yes, you leave it like that. Add 1. After, yours will not be after view underscore status. Yours will be after test underscore status. That's what you will see. Test underscore status. So you are adding 1 column after test underscore status. In my case, because I've done it, that's why I'm having 10 here. I'm having this 10 items, and it is not showing me test underscore status. It's showing me the last item. Your last item will be test underscore status. So that's what you will see here. So you click on go. When you click on go, it will open a menu that will look like this, but these fields will be empty in your case. So what you do, you come here, the first view, you type in view underscore status, small letter. Then here on this type, you will select varchar, variable character. You select varchar, length, put 25. Then this default, select null and stop here and click on save. So name, view underscore status, type, varchar, variable character, length, 25, default. No, don't take any other thing. Don't do any other thing. This check that you have here is not your business. Leave it like that. Don't touch any other thing. So I repeat, name, view underscore status small letter. Then you select VACA from the drop down. Then you the length, which is 25. Then under default, you select null from the drop down. Then you come to save. That's all. So once you do that, you are done with the 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 editing of that table in the database, and with that, your application should run seamlessly. So, but you must also know that by the time you do upload and any you upload a new file to the server, you must run two commands. You run two commands. Actually, you will run the command before and you will run the command after. If you are directly on the server, you go to your terminal. But if you are using your putty to login, the same thing. You will have to type in those commands. And from the file I sent to us earlier, those commands are there. So, and which I will show you now. Where is it? I'm trying to reach them. I have the command somewhere here, but they are also in that file. Where is this? I have so much. Okay, maybe let me show you from the setup guide that I've sent to us earlier, so that it will be easy for you. Where is this? You run this command, this one. You run this. Then after this, you run this. So run these two commands before you upload the files to the server, and run the two commands after uploading the file to the server, one after the other. This first, then this. I hope this will help someone. Thank you very much for your time.